Make sentences using she is. She is happy. She is my friend. She is kind. She is a good girl. She is playing. She is dancing. She is reading a book. She is running fast. She is singing a song. She is writing. She is my sister. She is a teacher. She is a doctor. She is in the garden. She is watching TV. She is wearing a red dress. She is drinking milk. She is going to school. She is a good student. She is very smart. She is helping her mother. She is playing with her doll. She is standing near the door. She is eating an apple. She is listening to music. She is sitting on a chair. She is waiting for the bus. She is brushing her teeth. She is drawing a picture. She is feeding the cat. She is studying for her exams. She is making a beautiful painting. She is excited to visit the zoo. She is learning to ride a bicycle. She is wearing a blue sari today. She is going to the temple with her grandmother. She is preparing food in the kitchen. She is looking at the stars in the sky. She is taking care of her little brother. She is playing badminton with her friends. She is the best dancer in our school. She is always polite to everyone. She is reading a story about brave kings. She is participating in the school competition. She is planting trees to save the environment. She is writing a letter to her grandmother. She is proud of her achievements. She is a hardworking student who loves to learn. She is dreaming of becoming a scientist. She is enjoying the festival with her family.